And we're now joined live in studio by Communications and Customer Service Manager at the National Works Agency, NWA, Stephen Shaw, to give us more details about the situation along the North Coast Highway. Good evening, Mr. Shaw.
Hi, good evening.
Okay, the road has collapsed. Can you give us more details of what happened and, at this stage, when motorists can expect to use the highway again?
All right, the situation is that the parish of Trelawney, like many other parishes, has been experiencing a high amount of rainfall. We had tremendous amount of rain yesterday, resulting in several areas being flooded. Now, this particular location, we've had a section of the road collapsing, resulting from the flood waters. Our investigations have revealed that the area, we had a plastic culvert there that was installed during the time when the road was being built, so over 10 years ago. Now the culvert was actually burnt from beneath the road, and so this resulted in the area collapsing because of oversaturation. Our plan now is that within the next 24 hours, we intend to have at least single lane traffic along this section of the North Coast Highway. We are going to be approaching it in a two-pronged way. Firstly, we want to get traffic going along the corridor once more. And secondly, we intend to have a permanent fix in the location, recognizing that in carrying out the permanent fix, we'll have to look at what has happened over the years since the time the road was completed, because since that time we have had the Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium being built, we have had at least 3 housing developments in the area, and so we have to look at the stormwater flows in this particular area when we are carrying out the permanent repairs.
Okay, well, with that in mind, can you tell us what will be done to ease the congestion within the town of Falmouth?
Well, we have to rely on the police for their assistance. They have implemented a system where traffic leaving Montego Bay, that those persons are routed along at Bowgate, through towards Duke Street. Those persons heading from the direction of Duncan's, those persons are routed along the main road at Rock, and I believe that they are sent along the Marthabury Road to come back out at the overpass along which is part of the Falmouth bypass.
Okay, thank you very much. Communications and Customer Service Manager at the NWA, Stephen Shaw.